everyone. So we are getting ready to install this and get out on the trail over the next couple days, and we are going to be doing a lot of winching, some practice stuff, and showing you guys what we are going to be doing as far as an entry level getting into this winching thing. So we're going to start off with how to wind a winch properly, how to use a single line pole when that's not enough, how to use a double line pole, and put your vehicle in different applications where you can get out no matter what trouble you get yourself into. So a single line pole is going to be a pole where we are just taking just one strand of rope or one section of rope. We're going to go out to a solid anchor point, and we're going to be able to, in one pole, pull the vehicle out of whatever bog or mire or stuck we would be in, and use this winch to its full capacity. So we are also going to get into a double line pole, and a double line pole is going to allow us to take this 12,000 pound winch and make it a 24,000 pound winch off of a solid object, allowing whatever we could possibly get into or whatever we're helping out along the way, be able to release the load, ease up the wear and tear on the winch, we ease up the wear and tear on our vehicle, and get us out safely.